Okay, hi guys, welcome. All right, so I'm going to be taking you through and showing you how to build your own e-commerce website. Okay. I think personally that AfriHost is one of the best, and the reason why I say that is because they give you your domain free for the first year. So that will be the name of your website. Example, susstreats.co.za. And then you'll just pay for the monthly hosting, but the domain is free for the first year. And thereafter, the second year, you'll only start paying for the domain. So I just want to take you through and show you where to sign up for a new domain. So if you don't have an AfriHost account, you can go to AfriHost and you can basically register an account with them. And then once you've logged in, your dashboard will look like this. And here you can see, you'll click on hosting. Okay. I'm just going to scroll down here. You'll click on your sign up a new hosting package. Okay. And then you'll put the Linux shared hosting. And then you can choose, they've got different packages. I recommend the platinum. But if you want to go for the gold, you can. For now, just to start off with, you can always upgrade at a later date. Then you'll click on the next step and you'll basically register a new domain. And you can put in whatever you want to put in there. It will come up with the options. So we're just going to say, let's just say, goodness. Okay. So basically you'll search for your domain. I'm just going to put the Sue's Treat so I can just show you. I'm not really going to register this one. Okay, so you'll see there that the domains available, and it's 0 because you're not going to pay for the first year. So you'll go to next step. And then you'll choose your cart, you'll check out, and then you'll just need to, if you just go through the process. So if you haven't put in your card details, it will prompt you to do so, and you just follow the instructions as you go along. Okay. So I've already purchased my domain, so I'm not going to purchase another domain, right? I'm not going to purchase another domain right now, but I am going to go to the domain I just purchased. All right, and we're going to go to the website manager because we want to install WordPress. So we're going to log into the website manager. I'm actually just going to close that for now. All right, and I'm going to go to the WordPress manager. All right, and I just want to show you here we're going to install, okay? Now, obviously, like for instance here, right? You got your in directory. Make sure that that WP that's in the directory you take out and it's secure. You'll obviously change it to South African Classifieds. And then you'll just put in what you want it to be. Obviously, you can put in whatever username you want to put in here, and you can put in your own password, and then you can put in an admin email, so you can put in an existing email address if you want. And then you'll just email installation details too. You'll put it in there and you'll click on install. Okay, sometimes it will come back and tell you that these files already exist on the domain or whatever. And then you just click override, but you may have to fill in some of the details again here. Okay, so you just do that. And then once you have done that, click on install, it will install. It sometimes can take between 24 to 48 hours for the system to update. So you may not be able to access the domain straight away, but I'm going to stop the video, so do that. So basically, the most important steps for you to do is to make sure that the WP is taken out of the directory and it says HTTPS, South African Classifieds. You don't need to change, just put in your site name, your site description, your admin username, and your password. That is what you're going to use to log into WordPress. And then just put your email address there where it's going to send you all the details of the site. And over here as well, you'll put your email address in there and then click on install. And then once it's installed, you can check the next video for the next step. Thanks for joining us.